Oh yes. Yes, 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 yes. Welcome back, guys. We are voyaging on the yacht today. Currently my engine is suspended in the air, off the subframe, off the engine mounts, because I needed to get the oil pump off to do oil pump gears. If you haven't watched that, or if that's something you're interested in, or you're just watching this video because you're like me and you're like, I really don't want to take my engine out to do an oil pump or billet gears, it can be done. I've done all of the videos leading up to this one to do it, and today we are doing the final piece to the puzzle. Definitely the scariest part of all of this. We can climb under here. Oh fuck, I can't even walk. I can't even walk. This is where we're at here, and honestly, can it be done? Yes, it can be done easily. There's like 100, there's more than 100, like there's heaps of room under there. The scariest part about this is you've got an open sump and dropping something in there, or going around and like having to clean it all out. So there's little grooves in the sump there. Now what we have to do is put gasket maker under every single surface and redo it all and then put it back on. The whole point of this was to see if this could be, well, not to see, I don't have the luxury of the real estate nor an engine crane just laying around that I could take the engine out. So should you take the engine out? Definitely take the engine out if you can. If you can't, and you're wondering if you can do it, living proof. You just have to be prepared to cop some paint online that's not going to please a lot of people. First things first, oil pump back on the front, slap it on with the new gasket, oil it all up and slide her in, and then we mount the sump. So that's where we're starting. You wouldn't believe it. This cunt is back. He's going in. Alright, let's go. Oh shit! Shit! I got him! Yes! Yes! Yes, buddy! I got the wasp! Yes! Sucked in, you dog. Oh. Look at it. Jesus Christ. Oh, collateral damage. No. Alright, I'm going to clean this now. Oh, I'm so happy. Oil pump is on and fixed and torqued down. Genuinely torqued down. Onto the big daddy. Onto the sump. So my plan of attack for the sump, we did just have a look under here before. Work from what I believe will be the hardest point to the easiest point. The hardest point is going to be on the front face of that row of studs and then down the sump side of it, and then do this whole front edge here and then come back across to here and then join it up and then just slap it up. I say just slap it up, but this thing, when I took the engine mounts off, the whole motor walked across about 20 mil, and so as you can see the sump is sitting a bit off. That is some harsh light. I look like I'm telling ghost stories. Sick. So I'm on like a bit of a time schedule. You got to do the gasket, pull the sump up, do the bolts up like hand tight, wait for it to squeeze out, let it sit for an hour, and then torque it down. That's what it says to do. So let's go, boys. Let's go to war. Where's the fucking long one? Where the fuck is that long bolt? Is there a bolt out there? It looks like that, but it's longer. What is going on here? Is the 14mm off the end of that? Is there a socket out there? Where the fuck is that? And this all fucking set up. We're on, we're done, everything's on, everything's torqued up, all good there. Sweet as, all on, all good to go. That was shit, every part of that was shit. I hated every second of that. I'll chat to you tomorrow when I actually feel like going over what I just did.
Meanwhile, at the Krusty Krab.
We are back, baby. It's a new day, and it's a better day. There's the biggest thing there's a couple of things, but we'll jump under and have a look. It's not like a super slick job, but it's oozing out. Yeah, that's all good there as well. That's all sorted. The thing that I found really difficult was getting it all up and situated was okay, and the gasket maker in there. But the thing that I found really kind of tricky was the gasket maker actually goes off in about an hour. And that sounds like a long time, and it is a long time if you're doing this on the floor and you've got heaps of room to work. But working your way around here, trying to get it everywhere where you need to get it, it's actually not that long. So it started setting, which is why you can hear my panic in my voice. Also, and this is the biggie, if you are doing this at home, just don't try and do this without disconnecting your axles. I left my axles and drive shafts and everything in. It's all fully in, and that kind of governs where the sump goes. If you disconnected them, you could put this sump wherever you wanted, and it would be much, much easier. Instead, I had straps and stuff trying to strap it where I wanted to go. Obviously, hindsight's a beautiful thing. Looking back, I would just take them off and everything would be happy days, but it's on there and it's where it needs to be, and it's sealed up. Not to sound like I'm a pessimist, but if it doesn't leak, I'll be pretty happy / surprised. And that is us done. So we can finally get rid of this cowboy shit now. Next episode we will relocate the engine down and across into the engine mounts and look at a few other little bits and pieces going on behind the head that we need to go from there. So I think this was the biggie that a lot of people didn't really know about. They're like, can you do the whole oil pump saga business without the engine coming out? Yeah, you can. Should you? Probably not. But somebody on Instagram actually messaged me, said it's actually like, and I believe him now, it would genuinely be probably easier if you have the space to drop the subframe motor attached and just do the whole lot. Thanks for watching, guys. If this helped you, then give it a like, give it a comment. If you want to know any fine particular details about how I did it, then shoot me a message, leave a comment, I'll try and get back to you. There's not much to it really. A lot of it is not much to it. You just got to suck it up and do it. It's just shit when you actually think about what you have to do. It's shit. None of that is fun. So anyway, can't wait to actually start doing fun mods. So hey, fun mods. Woo! Anyway, we'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace. Ever since you shut the door on everything we knew, you're too late for love,